welcome back to Emkin Gardening. Today we are going to be creating a monochromatic container recipe for you all. We're choosing the color purple, so we're going to do a purple container. So we have a variety of plants. Some of them are going to be familiar to you, some of them might be new. So we're going to show you the example that we made so you can see what the end product's going to look like. And then we will set up the other one, the matching one, so you can see exactly the steps we took to create this. And these containers are going to live right in front of our garage here, so that when we pull up, whenever we're pulling up or leaving the house, we are greeted with a beautiful purple masterpiece. All right, so let's get a little bit closer so you can see the example. All right, so we have about a 2 foot, a little bit less than 2 foot diameter container here, and the reservoir is pretty deep. And how we filled it is we actually did about a third of some of our leftover soil from last year. We save it from any of our containers, and we replenished it and revitalized it by using biotone starter fertilizer. So we put a lot of that in there and just kind of turned it to kind of get all those nutrients back in. And then we added the rest of it with brand new soil for the season. And just a note, whenever we planted these, we also put a little bit more biotone in there. Okay, so our centerpiece, we actually have 2 Rockin Deep Purple Salvias. Now these deep purple salvias get about 3 feet tall, and in our experience they do get about 3 feet tall. So there's 2 of them in here, so it's going to be a very big centerpiece attraction in this pot. So that's the big one, and they have beautiful plumes, purple plumes, deep purple plumes. Our fillers, you could say, we have a couple. We have the sparkling Amethyst, Superbena. These get up to 12 inches, and they have a mounding and trailing habit. In our experience, they don't trail. It's more of like a mound over, but it does not trail down. So that's why I'm calling it my filler. And we have 2 of those, kind of opposite corners of each other. Our other filler is the Supertunia Priscilla, which have these double blooms. And they're beautiful. And these also get 12 inches tall, and also have more of like a mound over trail as opposed to like a fall to the ground type of trail. Those plants are our favorites. We have Supertunia Bordeaux, and as you guys know, these get very large and trail up to 3 feet down. So this will completely touch the ground and will need a haircut mid-season for sure. So we have 2 of those as well on opposite sides. And then our last trailing is our Violet Night Lobularia. And this is a type of alyssum, but it has a beautiful fragrance and that deep purple, and this will also trail down, but this one only trails for like 12 inches. So how this is set up is we have our trailers on each quadrant, and then our fillers on the other quadrants, and then our centerpiece. These all would like part sun to full sun. We are in shade right now, so these pots will actually be getting exactly that. Mostly full sun, but there is a part of the afternoon that is shaded, which is wonderful. Okay, let's pot up the other one. can see that was pretty simple. We just dug a well, put some fertilizer in, mixed it up, put the plant in, cover it up. We're good to go. These are going to get consistent watering and then the weekly soluble fertilizer. And they're gonna love this spot here. So if this was exciting for you guys and you got inspiration from this or wanted to try some of these plants out, give us a comment if you have any questions, and like and subscribe to our channel. And I hope that you're really enjoying the gardening season. All right, thanks so much for watching. Bye.